Hey friends, do you think our library is great? I do too. But after reading about Mr. Limoncello's library, the brand new town library he built with holographic statues and animatronic animals and an entire room dedicated to games and gaming with smell-o-vision where you can smell things, you and I both probably will think that our library needs some upgrades. In Chris Gravenstein's book, Escape from Mr. Limoncello's Library, you'll follow Kyle Keeley, his friends and his enemies, as they work to escape from this world-famous game maker and millionaire, Mr. Lemoncello, from his library, all while solving mysteries, playing games, giving the readers some good laughs, and keeping you on the edge of your seat. If you enjoy Charlie and the Chocolate Factory and personalities like Willy Wonka, then you need to run so that you can get your hands on a copy of this book. We have a few of them here in the library. There are 3 books in the series. You'll probably read all 3 within the week. All right, enjoy.